By the time you finish watching this video, we would have spent £200 on the poor and needy thanks to your support. Subhanallah, 30 days of Ramadan, that's 720 hours, with exactly 43,200 minutes. From one corner of the world to the other, we are spending an average of £100 for every minute of every day in Ramadan this year. MashaAllah, Al Khair Foundation is working internationally, delivering dates and Ramadan family food packs to refugees. Water, hygiene and sanitation projects, including water hand pumps, water wells, and deep borehole water wells in Africa. Medical treatment through clinics, camps, mobile units, maternity centers, and hospitals. Supporting people with disabilities through wheelchairs and specialist aid items, especially for people who are blind or hard of hearing. We also provide social care and support to those suffering from trauma, loss, domestic abuse and violence. Supporting helpless little boys and girls through our orphan care program. Shelters for refugees and economical housing for victims of disasters and conflicts. Educational institutes in the forms of primary and secondary schools, also providing school kits and essentials. The construction of houses, housing developments and masajid where they are most needed. We have many more relief, rehabilitation and meaningful aid distribution projects around the world, from short-term projects to long-term sustainable programs. Inshallah, we need the highest levels of your donations and support to continue the life-changing work we do around the world. 100% of your zakat and sadaqah money will be spent on the poor and needy. Al Khair Foundation. Donate with confidence. Jazakumullah khair.